Hello everyone, Pooja here. Welcome back to Ask Dev. Today we are going to learn Gradle installation in Windows as well as Linux. Let's start with Windows. Open web browser. Search for Gradle. Click on Gradle build tool. Click on install Gradle. Move on to Downloads folder and look for the downloaded zip file. Right-click to extract it. Wait until extraction completes. After completion, go inside the extracted folder. Open terminal and check for Java version. If not installed in your system, make sure that you install recent JDK version. Click on the address bar and copy the path. Search for the system app environment variables. Open the app and click on to this button. Under User Variables section, click on New button and type Gradle_home. Then paste the copied path to the variable value text box. Click OK. Double-click on path variable and go back to the bin folder of the Gradle and copy the path from the address bar. Click the New button and paste the copied path. Click all OKs. That's it guys. Open terminal or command prompt to check the version of Gradle. Next we install Gradle in Linux system and follow the steps of installation on the screen.